In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a file or an application if it is not showing in the program and features section in your Windows laptop or your Windows PC. So recently I installed an application from the Microsoft Store on my Windows laptop known as PDF-X. I needed this application because my Adobe Acrobat Reader was not working for some odd reason. So I just downloaded this, and in the meanwhile, within an hour or so, my Adobe was working perfectly fine. So I didn't need this anymore. So I wanted to uninstall this application. So normally what we would do is go to Control Panel, right? So just type in Control Panel, get a pop-up like this, or you could go to your settings and get to Control Panel and then click on Programs and Features. So next you get a pop-up like this on which you see all the installed applications. But I was not able to find this specific app called PDF-X out here. So normally applications wouldn't be hidden, but if it is an app which is having that feature to hide itself or to be a bit sneaky, this is exactly what you need to do to remove it from your system. The first thing is you could go ahead and look for a dedicated kill switch or an uninstall button for this specific software. So you could just type in PDF-X in this case. So if you see only the option to open the application, so you don't have an uninstall button, but if you get a direct uninstall button for this application, you are going to get that option below this. When you do a search, you're going to see PDF-X uninstall or something on those lines. If you don't get that option, just press the Windows and I shortcut. You get the settings menu pop up out here. Click on apps, and here you're definitely going to see all the applications that is installed on your PC. Let's find for this application. Okay, here we go, PDF-X. Just click on it and you get an option to uninstall it. So let's click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again. So within a few seconds or a minute or two, this is going to get uninstalled from your system. I hope this helps, and I hope you got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.